Artificial intelligence, the cornerstone of modern innovation. Sundar Pichai, the chief executive of Google, once said that AI is the very foundation of our future. Today, we delve into the riveting realm of AI stocks, which have become the cynosure for investors globally. Kathy Wood, in a revealing chat with Bloomberg, mentioned her hunt for software companies that mirror the fledgling days of NVIDIA when ARK first spotted it. Did you know? While NVIDIA, a hardware giant, has its merits, history tells us that software often overshadows hardware. Wood envisions that for every dollar NVIDIA earns through hardware, software as a service providers might rake in 8 times that amount. The focus, therefore, has shifted to budding software providers, echoing NVIDIA's early valuation between $5 to $10 billion, anticipating their rise to $1 trillion worth. But here's something to ponder on. With every dollar NVIDIA accumulates, software, especially cloud-based services, could potentially generate an 8-fold revenue. Despite the ebb and flow of the ARK Innovation ETF, which saw a drop of 10% from its zenith in February, Woods remains bullish about certain assets. Now, a brief interlude. If you're finding value in this video, remember to subscribe to Market Matters Media for more insights and analytics. Let's spotlight a few companies. Firstly, Twilio. Currently trading at $67.15 a share, it surged by 33% YTD. Why? Because it's reshaping the way businesses communicate, from SMS to video. Their Q4 2022 financials exceeded Wall Street forecasts, growing by 22% year over year. Such resilience and strategic alliances make it a sound investment at its current price. Beyond its impressive year-to-date surge, Twilio has been a game-changer in bridging the communication gap. Think about how businesses have evolved. The requirement isn't just for communication, but for smart communication. Twilio's adaptive algorithms ensure that messages reach customers at optimal times, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Moreover, with the rise of remote work and digital transformations across industries, platforms like Twilio are not just add-ons but necessities. Predictions suggest that the global cloud communication platform market could reach $7.8 billion by 2026, with Twilio poised to capture a significant share. In this rapidly advancing digital landscape, Twilio isn't just keeping pace, it's setting the tempo. Its diverse offerings, from cloud-based call centers to automated messaging services, are more than just impressive. They're essential tools in today's interconnected world. As we move forward, Twilio's trajectory seems not only promising, but also indicative of a paradigm shift in business communication and customer interaction. Next, UiPath. Global leaders in robotic process automation, they're changing how companies like Amazon and Bank of America operate. Their stock, currently at $18.24, has leaped by 48% this year. Given their annual recurring revenue growth and the anticipated RPA market growth, it's no surprise why investors are paying attention. Robotic process automation is not the buzzword anymore, it's a reality. UiPath's endeavors in streamlining mundane tasks are revolutionary. Their software robots allow for a more efficient workforce, and the financial benefits are tangible. Companies are reporting an average of 20% time saved on repetitive tasks, translating into substantial financial gains. The more intriguing aspect is their commitment to AI integration, allowing robots to learn and evolve. This is AI in its truest form: learning, adapting, and optimizing. UiPath's trajectory mirrors the growing demand for smart, automated solutions in the business world. Their forward-thinking approach, blending robotics with AI, isn't just innovative, it's reshaping the fabric of workforce management. As companies continue to seek efficiency and productivity, UiPath stands as a testament to the transformative power of automation and AI in the corporate ecosystem. Teladoc Health emerges as a third contender. Operating in the telehealth domain, they're revolutionizing patient-doctor interactions. Although it witnessed a dip of about 45% from its highest trading point, its current valuation, combined with strong quarterly performances, makes it a viable pick. With the recent global health challenges, telemedicine emerged as a beacon of hope. But Teladoc isn't just about consulting a doctor online. It's about an integrated health experience. Their AI-powered symptom checker, for example, can evaluate symptoms and recommend the next best steps, sometimes eliminating the need for a doctor's consultation altogether. This isn't just healthcare, it's smart healthcare. The global telemedicine market is expected to surpass $175 billion by 2026, and Teladoc, with its innovations, aims to be at the forefront. Teladoc Health stands as a paradigm of innovation in healthcare, seamlessly blending technology with medical expertise. Their focus for an end-to-end patient experience, coupled with their technological prowess, positions them not just as a service, but as a healthcare partner. As they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in telehealth, Teladoc Health's role in shaping the future of healthcare becomes increasingly clear and vital. Lastly, Tesla. Woods anticipates its monumental growth, primarily due to its AI-driven autonomous driving pursuits. A potential surge to $2,000 per share by 2027 doesn't seem far-fetched, considering Tesla's advancements in the sector and the exponential growth in demand for electric vehicles. When one thinks of Tesla, cars come to mind. But Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a tech giant. Their advancements in battery technology, solar integration, and even space exploration are testaments to their expansive vision. Elon Musk's vision of a self-sustainable home with solar roof and battery storage is closer than we think. And we haven't even touched upon their endeavors in neural networks and AI training for autonomous driving. Tesla's Dojo, their supercomputer, aims to process vast amounts of video data to improve Tesla's autopilot features, ensuring the car learns from every drive it undertakes. This isn't just driving, it's the future of transportation. Tesla's journey mirrors the technological crescendo of our age, transcending the conventional and exploring the realms of possibility. Their seamless fusion of sustainable energy solutions with cutting-edge technology isn't just innovative, it's a blueprint for the future. As Tesla continues to drive towards a greener, more interconnected world, their impact stretches far beyond the realms of transportation, heralding a new era of tech-driven environmental stewardship. As AI continues to permeate every facet of our lives, companies that integrate and adapt will be the forerunners of the next industrial revolution. But it's essential to understand that the market is volatile. Past performances, though indicative, aren't guarantees for future returns. It's crucial to be equipped with the right knowledge and tools when investing. In the world of AI, collaboration is another key trend. Companies aren't just growing individually, they're growing together. Partnerships between AI giants and startups, cloud service providers, and even competitors are becoming common. This collaborative approach is accelerating the AI evolution, ensuring a holistic growth rather than isolated advancements. Before you invest, here's another nugget to consider: ethical AI. As AI algorithms become more complex, ensuring they're unbiased and ethical is crucial. Companies like Google and Microsoft are already focusing on creating responsible AI, ensuring algorithms are transparent, accountable, and free from prejudice. Investing in companies that prioritize ethical AI might be a wise move, given the increasing global focus on responsible technology. To summarize, AI is not the future, it's the present shaping the future. Companies like Twilio, UiPath, Tesla, and Teladoc are at the helm, driving change, innovation, and growth. But as with all investments, knowledge is power. Ensure you're well-informed, consult with experts, and most importantly, align your investments with your long-term goals and visions. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the AI market. If you appreciate this deep dive and wish to stay updated on market trends, ensure you hit the like button and stay subscribed to Market Matters Media.